Welcome to a new video of Cambridge IELTS. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks related to the IELTS listening. This is the video from the Cambridge IELTS Book 6 Listening Test 2 from question number 1 to 5. So let's start our today's video. Question number 1. Adults must accompany children under blank. It means that we have to find the age limit of children. And we guess the age limit because the word under is written here. So the children must be under 6, under 8 or under 9. And in the listening, we may listen the word below for the word under. So we have to be careful while we are listening the audio. Question number 2. Workshops held in Winter House. Question number 2. Blank street. From the word held in, we guess that in the blank we have to fill the name of any place. And after reading the full question, we guess that we have to find the name of the street. So in the question number 2, we have to find the name of the street or name of the place because in the start the word held in is written here. Question number 3. Security device must push the blank to open the door. So here we have found the word push in. So in the audio, we may listen the word press in. So from this word, we can guess that we have to push something to open the door. And our answer may be the name of any button or something like that. Question number 4. Should leave car behind and blank. We have to find any place where we can park our car, and that place is behind something. That may be behind the library, behind the park, behind the school. Question number 5. Book workshops by phoning the and blank. So here we have found the word the, and it is an article. It means that we can book workshops by calling someone who is very special. So we can guess that our answer may be the name of any special person, the name of any special designation, or the name of any special department. So let's go to the test and try to solve from question number 1 to 5 with the help of a paper and a lead pencil. Let's start. Questions 1 to 5. Complete the notes below. Write no more than 2 words and a number for each answer. It means that we cannot write more than 2 words. We can write 1 word or 2 words and a number. And the heading is Children's Art and Craft Workshops. Our first question, adults must accompany children under. So it means that the adults can take the children who are under. So the children under means that we have to find the age of children. And for the word under, we may listen in the audio the word like below. Adults must accompany children under, so we have to find the age of children. Workshops held in. Question number 2, workshops held in. So the word held in is written. So it means that we have to find the place where the workshops will be organized. So for the question number 2, we have to find the place of workshops where the workshops will be held or organized. Question number 3, security device. It means that we will listen in the audio about some security device. Must push the to open door. Must push the to open door. So word push, the is the key word, and in the audio we may listen the word press. So must push the, question number 3, to open the door. It means that we have to push something to open the door, and most probably our answer may be must press the button to open the door. Question number 4, should leave car behind the. So the word behind is the key word, and in the audio we may listen the word back off. Should leave car behind the, it means that we have to find a place where we can leave our car. Question number 5, book workshops by phoning the. Question number 5, and the phone number is given. So it means that we have to find the name of any special person, any special designation, or we have to find the name of any special department, because the article the is written here and the question is book workshops by phoning the. So we have to find the name of any special person or any special department or any special designation to whom we can call to book a workshop. So for the question number 1, we have to find the age of the children. For question number 2, we have to find the place of workshops. And for question number 3, we have to find anything which we can push to open the door. And question number 4, we have to find the place where we can park our car. And for question number 5, we have to find any special person, any special department to whom we can call to book the workshops.
Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning, Sidmouth Museum. Can I help you?
Oh, yes. Good morning. I'm interested in the children's workshops, and I'd like a little more information, please.
Do you mean the art and craft workshops?
Yes, a friend of a friend mentioned them. The children do painting and make models and so forth.
Yes, of course. Where to begin? First of all, as you probably know, they run every Saturday.
Fine. And what about ages?
The woman asks about what about the ages. It means that she is asking about the age limit of children.
Well, all ages from 5 upwards are welcome, though we do ask that children below 8 years of age are accompanied by an adult.
The man says that the children below 8 years must accompany by the adults. And our question is, adults must accompany children under, and that age limit is 8 years. Listen again.
Though we do ask that children below 8 years of age are accompanied by an adult.
So our answer is 8 years.
Fine, that wouldn't be a problem. What about cost?
Well, I think you'll find them very reasonable. It's £2.50 a child, with 80 pence off for 2 or more children from the same family.
Oh yes, very reasonable. And are they held in the main museum?
Now the woman is asking about the workshops where they are held. She's asking, are they held in the main museum? So we have to be vigilant here, because our next question is about the place.
Not exactly. They're nearby.
Could you give me the full address? I don't know the area very well.
Now the woman is asking about the address. So we have to complete the address. Winter house, question number 2, street. So it means that we have to find the street name.
Yes, it's Winter House.
Right.
And that's in Tamer Street.
And
Could you spell that, please?
Yes, Tamer Street.
so our answer is Tamer Street. Tamer. Listen again.
Tamer Street.
Could you spell that, please?
Yes, Tamer Street.
Lovely.
And I do need to tell you that there's a security entrance. So you need...
Now the man is telling about the security. And he is saying, I do need to tell you about the security entrance.
need to press the green button for
You
some...
need to press. So here the word push the is written. And in the audio we have listened the word press. You need to press the green button. So it means that we have to rewrite the word green button here. Listen again.
Street.
Lovely.
And I do need to tell you that there's a security entrance. So you need to press the green button for someone to let you in. Don't press the red button, please. But don't worry, it's all clearly labelled.
Okay. And one more question. Is parking available nearby?
The woman asked, is parking available nearby? And our question is, should leave car behind? So our answer must be next.
We're driving in from out of town.
Your best bet is to leave your car at the back of the library.
Your best bet is to leave your car at the back of the library. So our answer is library. And for the word behind, he has used the word back of. Listen again.
More question. Is parking available nearby? We're driving in from out of town.
Your best bet is to leave your car at the back of the library. On a Saturday morning, there are plenty of spaces there. It's right next door to the museum.
And can I ask about booking places?
Now the woman asks, and she says, can I ask about booking places? So it means that she wants to inquire about the booking of workshops, which is our question number 5.
Yes, and I must tell you, you really should book by calling the education department here.
The man says that you should book the workshop by calling the education department. So for the question number 5, we can write the words education department. Listen again.
And can I ask about booking places?
Yes, and I must tell you, you really should book by calling the education department here.
So our answer is education department. Book workshops by phoning the education department. And for the word phoning, the speaker has used the word calling. So our best answer is education department.